Welcome. In front of me is a UMIDIGI A3, and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. And to get started, let's open up Settings and then choose Storage. There we go. Tap on your SD card, and once it loads it up, I'm going to choose the three-dot option and go to Storage Settings, where you will find the option to format it. Select it, and once you do it, it gives you a quick message that performing this basically removes everything from that card. So if there's anything that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up beforehand, otherwise you will lose it permanently. But assuming you have already done it or you don't want to, tap on Format SD card, the process will immediately begin, and it only takes a couple of seconds, should be right about done. There we go. Click on Done and you're completely finished. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.